Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today for you a 2018 SkyJack SJ16. This is like a powered personnel man lift. I've had many of these. They're a really nice little lift, especially if you're going to put them inside a garage, inside a little mechanical room. Very handy little man lift. This unit has 160 hours on it. We just went through it, serviced it. 4 brand new batteries in it. Does have very good non-marking tires. We're going to go ahead and show you here real quickly around this lift. We do have the charger plugged in so you can see that it does charge. It's going through its charging cycle currently. I will go ahead and unplug that so that you at least can see that the charging system does work. This does have what is called an extendable deck or extendable platform. On an SJ16, you can pull a latch here that's underneath the platform, and it'll allow you to get access here to the motor and battery compartment. So as I just stated, brand new batteries. We just installed them last week. Everything there works. You can see the pump and everything's very nice, clean tank, everything like that. So like I said, we did get through it. Everything works the way it is supposed to there. To put this deck extension back in, you will pull the release latch. Once it clicks in, then you'll go up here, pull your handle. That's all there is to that. Now, you will see here at the back, you do have a set of ground controls. Show them there and give them a close-up serial plate. You have your platform, you have your ground. Here's your hour meter. There is a 110 outlet up on the platform, which is right there. Guys, we'll go ahead and show you that the ground controls work. That's all there is to that. Switch automatically releases and gets back up here to platform. You're going to go here to your motor controlled joystick now. It's going to pick up your pothole protectors. And you can run this unit around. You can see how versatile this little lift is because you can see how it will turn. Very sharp, it's very compact. And you can see it is going to go up. These are a 16-foot lift. Horn works. Then these lifts will go into low range whenever they're up in the air, and then it will allow you to drive, but it puts you into a very slow mode, obviously. I'm going to come back down. We're going to go back here to our drive function. It'll pick the pothole protectors up. Now, what is nice about these units? They are what is called motor controlled versus what is called proportional controls. So what is nice is I pull the dead man back or the operate switch. I move that joystick as slow as I want, or faster I go, the more speed I get. I really like the SkyJack style design with the motor controllers. They are a very nice setup, way easier to manipulate than your old traditional proportional controlled units. Guys, if you have any question on this 2018 SkyJack SJ16, please let us know, 814-658-3066. If you need a shipping quote, financing like that, you can reach out on our website to the finance company, or if you need shipping, let us know. We'll be glad to help you there. 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.